Look at that machine. I think this one went up faster than what the old one went up. All right, we got this thing set up and took no time. And I think we're good to go for the next couple of nights. But check out these clouds. Yeah. So the site that we're at now is just a couple up from the one that we got here last year that was overlooking the lake. It's our garden flag. The other side of it has us on jet skis. Isn't that neat? All right, we got everything set up. It's looking nice. Looks like it's gonna pour the rain here in a little bit, but this camper is really nice.
Literally saved my life. Thank you. Thank you.
Good morning, everybody. Well, we survived the rainy night in the Clipper. Slept really good, and the air felt so nice. It's a nice morning here. We just used the shower house over on one of the other loops because this one was full. We need a shower one for this camper. For some reason it would not, well, it don't have one. Everything's there, it just needs to be hooked up. Don't know why that it's missing. What's your thoughts on the situation?
It feels good out this morning. And I'm nice and clean.
Had some wildlife run through here over the last hour or so. Lots of rabbits and stuff. It's not too crowded over here on this side, but the other down through there and the, I think A loop was packed. There was a line for the shower house, so we went over to, I think it was C or D loop and used that shower house. All right, let's get our breakfast on. Sure beats the little gas grill, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does. It's so fast.
Where did you get that at?
Amazon. It was like $150 or so, but it comes with this griddle top, which is well worth it.
Yeah.
And it's induction instead of gas or just electric.
Alrighty, breakfast is served. Adam bought one of these Vivor canopy tents. Be good to throw the dogs in. you know, zip them up. Let's go inside here. Even has a, I'm guessing, a thing here where you can hang a light from it. Really be good to put over the picnic table to keep skeeters out. Yes, I said skeeters. Hello. Adam just swam through somebody's urine. Oh gosh. It's way out through there. There's a Sea-Doo out there. It's like a GTR 230. One just like mine. Now, Adam's paddling out to sea. Everybody tell Adam bye. Bye, Adam. It's sort of hot out here, but then every now and then there's a nice cool breeze that goes by. This is the beach that's by the campground here at Caesars Creek, by the way. It's very muddy. It's kind of relaxing, but this inner tube that I'm on kind of sucks. And now Jamie's leaving us. Hello again.
Hello.
I have found you. Been adrift. Yes. I don't know if it'll actually rain or not. It might blow over.
I don't see anything coming out of them. Which we're already wet, so as long as there's no light.
We're fine.
Here goes one of those Sea-Doo, whatever they're called. Might be a Challenger, I can't really tell. I think that'll be my next investment, is a jet boat. I got that. Oh, what a nice day out here. Refreshing, and the current keeps taking me upstream. It's taking Jamie up through there. I'm just trying to stay down here. Need to go over there to that little island. There's all kinds of seaweed here and it feels gross. Yep. The current is taking Jamie and she's going to end up in New Burlington. It's so weird. Having fun, sir?
I am. I feel good.
I dread getting out because it's nothing but mud, and I forgot my lake shoes, so I have my old Crocs that I do yard work in, and they are probably, well, I know they're at least 15 years old. They've been good ones, but as you can see, they're no longer four-wheel drive. Four-wheel drive has went out and I have no tread on the tires. Isn't that lovely? Look at the grill master making some steaks over here on the griddle.
I'm trying. They smell good.
Yeah. Thing has been nifty. Sure beats using the propane stove.
It takes forever.
Yeah. It's almost like I'm in a hibachi. It just looks so good. Alrighty, this is the inside of the new camper. Well, it's not new, but it's new to us, and it's a 2016. It's in pretty good shape. It needs a little bit of work here and there, but way better than the old Jayco that we had that was nearly 30 years old. You can see this white sheet here. We have a projector that I picked up off of Amazon, and we used that last night when it was raining, and it works really well. Funny thing is, on the outside of that window, you could actually see the movie playing. Got some movies here. Indiana Jones, Great Outdoors, What About Bob? So yeah, we came equipped. That's a wet bath. It has a shower. There's a toilet in there. The only thing is, this camper does not have a holding tank for the shower water. It has to be hooked up to the drain. You have to have a full hookup for that to work. So the Jayco had a holding tank for that, but this doesn't. That's okay. We usually stay at places that has bathhouses anyway, so you know, a little more convenient. But staying somewhere that doesn't have any of that, this works fine. So yeah, we're loving it. She also has heat, so comfortably go out in the fall and camp in this thing. It also has heated mattresses on both ends, and the only thing is, it did not come with the controls for those, and the light kits that goes over the dinette and the beds and the fans and stuff were not in it when we bought it. And you know, we kind of got this as is. I believe it might have been a bank repo, but got an awesome deal on it. I'm really happy with it. Has a refrigerator. Has a lot of outlets in here too. It's a stove, sink. It's a little nightstand to plug stuff up on. But yeah, that's it. It is really nice. Shout out to Bath and Body Works. We got it smelling really nice in here. Alrighty. Well, yeah, that's it. Super nice. We do have to find a shower curtain for this thing, and we need a shower head and hose. For some reason it didn't have that either. But drop us a comment. What are you camping in? We always like to hear from our viewers and see what you got and where that you like to camp. So let us know. let's go get some funnel cakes. We're on our way to the amphitheater to get us a funnel cake. They're also showing the Goonies down here tonight, which would be fun. We've seen Goonies 400 million times though. Dang. Well, sir, we've missed funnel cakes. We have. Oh well. Man, look at the fireworks going off over there. Really doing it up. And it is a downpour, so I mean, it's almost midnight. I'm outside having some drinks and stuff, but I think I'm going to throw on a movie and I'm going to crawl into bed. Yeah, enjoy this rain. Hopefully the storms don't get too wild. Good morning, everyone. Well, today is checkout day. I dread packing this stuff up and getting out of here. Always a fun time. All it has done is rain, and it's misting this morning, and yes, I have my hat on. It's hard being bald and having ice cold air conditioner blowing directly on your scalp. Let's get up and get this stuff packed up and start heading home. All right, that's a wrap on the first time out with the Clipper Popup camper. Had an awesome time. It's a great little camper, and so glad that we found it. If y'all like this video, make sure to leave us a like, and if you're new here, be sure to subscribe. Thank y'all for watching. We'll see you in the next video.